Hello, I hope you're well. My name is Niels Berghout. I'm the CEO and co-founder of SourceGeek. And in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the n8n template you can use to send messages to your LinkedIn first degree connections. So as you can see here, there's an n8n node, the send message node from SourceGeek. There's a form submission. It extracts its data from a Google Sheet, and then all these people in the Google Sheet will get a message from you. So right now the Google Sheet is populated with my co-founder Ilya, which I'm going to use as an example. Going back to the workflow, I'm going to execute it. I'm going to type my message here. I'm going to submit. And what you will see in the background is that our node is being activated. And I can show you in a moment in the LinkedIn profile that the message is being sent. So the workflow done its work right now. The message has been sent. If you go to the profile, you click on the message, you'll see that actually the message is being sent, and it's all being done by our n8n node. Thank you very much.